Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will make a grape smoothie with red grape juice. So these are the ingredients: milk, red grape juice, frozen grapes, and 2 packs of white sugar. So if you like this video, can you please continue watching? So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will add the liquid on the blender. You need to add first the liquid so that it will blend together before this one, the grape one. So we will add the grapes and sugar. And so I will add the sugar. So as you can see, we have different brand of sugars. Then after that, all we have to do is to blend it well. So now guys, I'm blending it so that it will blend together and it will smooth like an ice cream. So finally guys, this will this is blend well already, so you can just take a look at the texture, so like that. So all we have to do is to remove this. So now we will just pour it in our so guys, now I put it into glass. So I make the smoothie for good for 2 persons. So if you like, you can try this one. This is so yummy and you will not regret if you will try this on your home also. So see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.